You do this move a bit differently.
Like
you spin it the other way though. Like when you catch it, you go down.
Yeah, I can. I do it both ways, but right now I do it the other way.
Yeah.
I do it left-handed.
Because when I watch some of your vids, you catch it and you go straight down.
And I go straight in, so yeah.
I have to catch it, go down,
And stop it,
spin
yeah. Yeah. Now that's why I learned the other way, because yeah. And I learned a lot of moves left-handed just so I can make my routine flow some more. That's definitely one to know both ways. Is that one?
Yep.
Because I used to have like probably all the way up until 18 years old, I was going there and then stopping and then spinning. You know, like the way you do it now.
Yeah.
But then it was just annoying me because I hate having to stop so much during my routine. So then like I was saying it to Mika and Mika suggested to just like learn the other way. So then yeah, I just fucking said the other way. It's still a bit slow, but it doesn't, you can't really tell because it's flat.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's still a bit slower than my other hand.
Yeah.
But yeah, you should try and learn now, because then you can go from your flat throw straight into that one.
Yeah.
Rather than having to stop. Is that what you do now?
Yeah.
Go from flat down and then stop.
Yeah. Well, I have been practicing this one. It's not as fast.
Yeah.
And it's not as not as flat.
Do you know how to do this?
Yeah.
Yeah, you know this?
Yeah.
Okay. Maybe a few things you should practice. If you don't know a lot of moves, then there's no point in like trying to put a routine together with nothing.
Yeah.
Just learn this.
And then that one.
You got that one?
Yeah.
Okay. You can see, this is why you need double spins, because you need this. Yeah.
I can do that.
You can do that. Okay. Can you do this?
Oh no.
Okay. You need to learn that one.
Yeah.
It's just the same. It's the same as that.
Yeah.
Everything's the same.
Yeah.
You gotta just stay focused. Don't when it comes to doubles, you gotta go like 50-50 on each stick.
Yeah. Don't focus on the one stick.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because then you can't, everything's gotta be symmetrical. Like it's gotta be even. Okay, so you got that. So start with that, it's just a pass.
Yeah.
Then spin it like that. Okay. Then spin it above your head, which you probably already know, yeah?
Yeah.
Spin it above your head. Okay. Now, from the side here, you know how to go to the side, yeah?
Yeah.
Just go to the side. Pass, learn these passes here.
Yeah.
Which is the same.
Same as the other. Yeah.
So it's a double spin and pass.
Yeah.
Same thing, double spin and pass.
Yeah.
And then you can, so just learn those. So as
because every time I do just muck around with my doubles, I do notice I do a double spin.
yeah. So
that makes sense. Yeah.
yeah. Well then it'll be easier to learn doubles moves if you practice singles doubles. Yeah, single double moves.
Yeah.
So yeah. Yeah. And yeah. Okay. You can do it this side. Yeah. Yeah. And yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Then you can take it up. Yeah. Okay. Then you can take it here. Then you can play around and go here. Okay. That's what 5 moves.
Yeah.
Those would be
Foundation.
yeah. That's a bit of or just foundation stuff.
Yeah.
That's the sort of that's the sort of doorway into everything else. But this actual double spin here is your timing.
Yeah. So everything.
Because if I did this move singles, it's literally like this.
Yeah.
It's like real like robotic. So double spinning everything.
Looks natural and
Yeah.
smooth. Yeah.
Everything's double spin.
Because double spin gives you time to move as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you try that right now, actually? Because if you can get it right now, then you might as well learn someone else.
So first one, second one.
Yeah. Yeah. Nice. Just the pass. Nice. I think you're dropping it when you start to think about
Turning it, yeah. And I'm usually just thinking about catching it, so I'm not really thinking about this other
You're
stuff.
not thinking about passing it.
Yeah, not really.
Yeah.
Yeah. Still looks robotic.
Yeah, that's alright. But you know what I'm saying, yeah? You know?
Yeah.
Okay, so go try it above your head, just try to go around, you know, the above your head and stuff.
Yep.
Yep, nice. Okay. So you get the idea for that, yeah?
Yeah.
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 Nice. Alright, now go on the sides, like under your legs.
So then it's
So
through
spin them
first and
Yeah.
then through, yeah.
Yeah.
So then it's spin.
Yep. And now move your leg, yep. Try that again. Go leg, and then go, so catch
So
it on your
leg,
back,
leg,
and then back. Yeah.
okay.
Leg.
It goes through the back, right?
Yeah, goes to the back. Leg. Leg.
Pass that through
Yeah.
this way.
Yeah.
Not this way.
No.
Leg.
Leg. Leg. Yeah, and then back.
And
And then back. Okay.
bang, and then leg. Leg.
Leg.
Leg.
But keep on spinning at the same time.
Keep spinning the other hand too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, you get the idea. So practice those ones there until, because those ones there really, when you start putting a routine together,
Yeah.
those ones there, they're not really even counted as tricks.
They're just
like bridges into the actual tricks. So, so those are your staples to know, because that's what you're gonna use to get into the actual tricks that are gonna like wow the crowd or score you points or whatever.
yeah.
At least you got that move pretty smooth, which is good.
Yeah. It's just I don't know how you spin it like this. Is it just like that?
It's just like how you go. It's just like if I was doing this with one stick.
Oh yeah.
That left to right pass is the same.
So that.
Yeah, okay, that's the same. Yep, nice. Nice. Yeah, that was good. You get it now.
Yeah.
Alright, now you really see why the double spin with the singles is so important.
Yeah.
So turn to your right, okay? Turn to your right and double spin. Your left hand goes this way, your right hand goes that way.
I've been practicing this one.
Okay, because I see this one.
Yeah.
Okay, so you turn to your right and you keep them double spinning.
Yeah. Wow. Wait, so I've been practicing this one.
Okay,
Wait.
that's good. Now that's practice that one too, but I'll do this one. I'll show you right now.
So.
Other way.
Oh, this way.
No. That way.
Huh?
Let go. Nice. Switch back. Basement. How you just said? Yeah. But you're about to back flick that. No. Front flick that.
Oh,
yeah.
flick.
Yeah.
Like this.
Yeah. And turn and go. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. There's that. Okay.
Okay, so it's not flickers.
It is, but not just yet.
Yeah.
That's maybe in about 3 more actions before that. Then.
Okay. Oh, so that's basically just this one, but like
Yeah.
This one's double, then.
Yeah. Do you see why that double spin in your singles is so important?
Yeah.
Because you need that timing. Yeah. Okay. Because these ones aren't really, they're not really like
Tricks. They're
tricks
just
either.
foundation.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, nice. Yeah.
I'm spinning.
Yeah, well, you don't really go on too many times in a row anyways.
Yeah.
So usually in your routine.
Yeah.
And then, yeah, see that one there is also doubles. So maybe practice
That's that one.
But you see how the back flick is doubles and the front flick is double, double, double.
Double. Yeah.
See?
Practicing and stuff. Yeah.
Yeah, that's why it's so important.
Yeah.
That's that.
Yeah.
That's not double. So if you I'll say to make doubles easier
Yeah.
because it's harder.
Yeah.
Do all your throws double spins in your single.
Yeah.
Because when you go to doubles, you need it to be like breathing.
Yeah.
It can't be. You
Can't
can't
think
spin
about it,
too
it's
much. Yeah.
Yeah.
You don't want to be thinking what's next. Where do I catch it?
Yeah.
It's just gonna happen. Okay. So we'll practice that one. When you can, because I'm not going to see you again for another 10 years. So when you do get comfortable with that, okay. So first one would be this. When you get comfortable with this,
Yeah.
move to that.
Yeah.
When you get comfortable with this,
Yeah.
it's opposite now. Instead of turning right like the other one, turn to your left. So if you're going here, turn to your left.
Yeah.
Left. 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 Left.
Yeah.
Like that. So it'll be first one is that one, and then the second one will be that one, and the third one will be the turn.
Yeah.
And then from there you can sort of start to piece together a routine. I forgot about the consonant, but so if you start from here,
Yeah.
just to drill it here, then you can go. You can play around with it. So from here, okay, you can go pass, pass. Just do like 3 of each.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, because this all still flows. Okay. Now you're just back to the beginning. 1, 2, 3. See? And then, so all those moves that I just taught you,
Yeah.
you